Hello everyone, I am Henry and today I'll show you the comparison of the cleaning action of soap and detergent. So here are the materials and apparatus that you'll need to prepare before conducting this experiment. Now, we shall begin our experiment. Let's do it together. First, we pour the soap into a cup of hot water. And stir it well. Stir until the soap dissolves in water and become liquid soap. Next, add 4 teaspoons of salts into the plastic basin filled with piped water. And stir it very well until the salt dissolves. Pour the soap that we mixed with hot water earlier into the plastic basin filled with mixture of salt and water. Stir it well for 1 minute. Et voila! This is the result when soap mixed with salt water, aka hard water. Now, add the detergent into the plastic basin filled with salt water. Stir it very well for 1 minute. Ta-da! The result showed us that there is bubbles formed. This is when detergent mixed with hard water. It still form bubbles, which means it is reactive towards hard water. Now that we have done with our experiment, let us see the conclusion. As we can see, scum is formed in this solution. Why? Because soap is less effective in hard water. Meanwhile, when detergent mixed with hard water, it does not form scum. It forms bubbles instead. This is because detergent is more effective in hard water. I guess that's all for today. I'm Henry and I'll see you soon. Have a good day, lads.